Are you overwhelmed by the chaos of digital marketing? You're not alone. Many beginners feel lost in a whirlwind of strategies and platforms. One minute it's TikTok advice, the next it's YouTube tips, and suddenly you're told to run webinars, create Facebook groups, and craft long email sequences. But here's the truth, you don't need everything when starting. What you need is a clear system that works. This video presents a proven roadmap. We'll focus on one traffic source, one funnel, and one offer, and scale from there. Let's dive right in. First, master one traffic source. Avoid spreading yourself too thin. Choose a platform that aligns with your style. TikTok is great for fast content and storytelling. YouTube excels in evergreen tutorials and trust building. Instagram focuses on lifestyle branding. Facebook is perfect for community building. Solo ads are ideal for list building through paid traffic. Reflect on where your audience hangs out and how you prefer to communicate. Next, map out a simple funnel using 3 types of content. Great content works like a funnel. Follow this 3-stage strategy. Start with TOFU, or top of funnel, to grab attention. Use curiosity or bold statements to encourage clicks. For example, most new marketers waste their first $500 doing this. Here's what no one tells you about affiliate marketing. Move to MOFU, or middle of funnel, to build trust, educate, entertain, and provide quick wins to gain your audience's confidence. Here are some engaging examples. Here's how I turned $100 into 412 leads with solo ads. 3 rookie mistakes that killed my first funnel. Finally, reach BOFU, or bottom of funnel, to convert leads. Make your offer compelling by adding urgency, proof, and storytelling. This tool made me $2,000 in 3 days. Here's how. Doors close at midnight. Don't miss this. Now let's emphasize the importance of building your email list immediately. Regardless of your platform, direct people to your email list. Why? Because social platforms change and algorithms shift. Your email list is a reliable asset. Start with a simple lead magnet, like a cheat sheet or toolkit. Then automate your email funnel with this blueprint. Day 1 and 2, welcome, plus story. Day 3, value tip or aha moment. Day 4, objection buster. Day 5, soft pitch or testimonial. Day 6 plus, regular tips, stories, and promotional cycles. Next, utilize AI to streamline your process. Here are some helpful ChatGPT prompts. For content ideas, ask, give me 10 scroll-stopping hooks for TikTok in the affiliate marketing niche. For email sequences, write a 5-email welcome sequence for new subscribers who downloaded my free lead magnet. For promotional posts, say, create 3 story-based posts, promoting product with urgency and social proof. Finally, surround yourself with people who are doing what you aspire to do. Building a real business doesn't happen in isolation. You need support, feedback, and accountability. That's why I created my free marketing mastermind, a community for digital marketers, creators, and affiliate entrepreneurs seeking real strategies and clear direction. Want to join? Apply now and gain weekly access to funnel reviews, content prompts, AI-powered email tools, a community that understands your journey. Take this step towards mastering digital marketing today.